Enter your login credentials, and click on Login as Student button. On your dashboard window, scroll down to view your assignment. Click on the assignment name to download the assignment. Click on Save button to save the assignment questions on your device. Answers the questions of assignments, and proceed to save it in PDF format. Once you have saved your file, proceed to submit it on the LMS. By clicking on the Submit button. Click on Choose File, and select your assignment, which you need to upload. On the LMS, once you upload your assignment, you will see a preview of it. After you have previewed it, scroll down and click on Submit Assignment button. Your assignment will be successfully submitted to the LMS for marking.